All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:38 in the morning of December 29th. Gosh, is it really already the 29th? Yeah, December the 29th, 2021. And this is my pre-market strategy session. So um, the it's quiet, and there isn't very much on the scanners that looks good at all. We'll see how much trading there is to do. Actually, something just popped up that's interesting. Let's take a look at it here real quick. TSP. Let's see what's going on with TSP. This is pretty good volume. 140,000. It's not bad. What's the headline here? Okay. Well, this is a headline from December 16th. TU Simple to collaborate with DHL on autonomous trucking operations. Let's see if I can get something a little bit more up to date. Get some news that's a little bit more up to date here through Street Smart Edge. Okay. TU Simple says it's completed the world's first fully autonomous semi-truck run on open public roads without human in vehicle and without human intervention. All right. TU Simple becomes first to successfully operate driver out fully autonomous semi-truck on open public roads. Dated today. Let's see pre-market here. It's traded almost 144,000 shares, and it's not moving. I mean, it is up 15% over its previous close. So let's see here. There it is right now. So yeah, this will be interesting. Let's see how many shares there are. Outstanding 212 million. Okay. So there's likely to be some selling on this. There's likely to be some profit taking on this. And then we'll see where it goes from there. And I'll just keep adjusting the Fibonacci. I'm glad this popped up. This is a little bit more promising. I'll adjust the Fibonacci to wherever it opens and then start using the Fibonacci's as cues for an entry on a trade. All right. Otherwise, PIXY, I have no intention of trading. It's still below $2 a share. CANF, still below $2 a share. And this thing has just a history of popping up and failing like big time. I mean, you can see here, it traded 170 million shares on December the 20th. And it only had a range from about $2 to $2. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. You see this one candle, this one red candle, it's kind of hanging out there on its own. This volume bar is 170 million shares, and it traded a whopping range of 64 cents. 170 million shares traded on a 64-cent move on a stock. That is insane. These are the two. As of a few minutes ago, they were the leading small cap gappers on my screener, but I don't find either one of these things at all attractive for a trade. I think it'll be smart just to leave it alone. It's not going to work out. Then there's the SPY. If the SPY opened up right now, it would open up 0.05% lower than its previous close. I mean, it's the SPY. It just hit all-time highs, and closed, after this really strong up bar. I mean, it's bullish. It's still bullish, but why not have a little bit of a pullback after a massive run like that? Let's see, from the 20th of December to the 27th of December, it put in almost a 6% move in 5 days. That is crazy. That is a huge chunk. And so I would be surprised to see it correct a little. I mean, not really a correction, but, a pullback after a big run like that. It's bound to get exhausted. So Yeah, I imagine today will probably be kind of a down day on the broader markets. So yeah, Tesla. Okay, so let's see. Tesla. Here's this sort of resistance line here, and you can see Tesla's come close to it. It hasn't quite hit, although it looks like it hit it yesterday. It looks like it hit the line yesterday. It didn't. It just came really close. And so here it is, up here in kind of some resistance area. This thing has also made a massive move. Let's see, from the bottom, this is the 20th also, that's the 21st of December, to the top of the 27th of December. I put a 26% move, a low of $886 and a high of $1,117. So, it's probably time for it to take a little rest. Buyers, they got to be worn out at some point. So looks like to me like there's going to be a little bit of time for some sellers to come in and make some money on the downside. And now here we are with TSP. Interesting, very interesting. We'll see what it does when it opens up. So again, that's it. That's like crypto. There isn't really anything going on with crypto. I'll tell you what, let me open up a new window. And so here you can see Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is neutral and going to be range bound for a bit, unless it breaks above 53,000 or breaks down below 42,000. Then it's range bound. And I think using these ranges will probably be a pretty good guide for entering into the crypto sort of proxies. They're not exactly crypto proxies, or Bitcoin proxies, but Sino is a Bitcoin miner. So looking for a little bit of a pullback on this one to add to a position that I have established. I established a position in this area right in here. And so just kind of waiting, sitting back and waiting for it to start running up again. See what kind of money I can make on it. All right, and then let's see what the VIX is doing real quick. VIX is hanging out below the gap. I wouldn't be surprised to see it, kind of come back and test the bottom of the gap again. For a small run up in volatility. I don't think there'll be anything significant until at least next week. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for me. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.